Hello there, YouTubers, and welcome to another DrCassette video. Today we are going to be fixing this Canton model LE600 speaker. When I was taking out all the equipment out of my room, when I painted my room, this speaker got into a bit of an accident. I put the two Canton speakers on top of each other, and as you can see, the sharp edges of the speaker grill of the other speaker just ripped off the insulation of the cable here. See, it's all gone. And of course that's really dangerous because you don't want to have a short in there. I could go and wind some sticky tape around there, but I want this to be completely repaired. And so what I'm going to do, let me explain that. Instead of the cable just going into the speaker like this, I want to use a speaker terminal. The problem is, the back part is so incredibly thick. Well, Canton must have done that with a purpose. So I don't want to put in one of those speaker terminals because, well, this one even has a hole in it. But as you can see, this is all made of really thin plastic, and so you basically make a big hole into the back part and just cover it up with some thin plastic, and that's of course a stupid solution. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drill two holes into the back part, and into those holes I'm going to stick these. These are just usual plugs for a single lead, go into there, and I'm going to put those into the holes, and that will be the new speaker connection terminal. And here we have the two holes that we're going to need. This hole is the hole where the cable originally went through. I just could reuse that. And this is a new hole that I just drilled. Now, unfortunately, well, I should have made a test before. The diameter of the holes is slightly too big because the jacks are just sitting in there loose. And I originally intended to have the diameter so small that you'd either have to use a hammer to get them in there, or you'd have to screw them in. So now I gotta get something else to fix that. And here is the solution to the problem. This is some really hard glue. It's a two-component affair. You have this sort of dust and this stuff here. You mix that, and that glue is getting really hard, and it's really powerful. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to glue those jacks into those holes. I've already used that glue to glue together that broken gear in my Sharp both sides playing record player, well, until now it has done a perfect job holding that gear together. The first jack is in its place, and here is the second one. Just want to put it carefully into there. If you do that too fast, of course, all the glue is going to come out again. Okay, that should be good. It's sometime later now, and as you can see, the glue is now hard. So you can see it slightly changed its color. This is what it looks like from the other side, and as you can see, there is still a little bit of a problem. So you can see the ends of those jacks are down in there, and it's quite complicated to reach them with a soldering iron, and this one is also covered with that glue. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drill a bigger hole around those until I can reach those two jacks in there. And there you have it. Now it should be pretty easy to reach down in there with the soldering iron to solder on the wire. And there you have it. The wire has been soldered to the jacks on the back of the speaker. So now the whole thing works again. I just wanted to show you the enormous crossover in this speaker. Right there you can see the 75. That means that the speaker was made in 1975. And now I want to put the speaker back together. And there it is, all finished up. New terminal to hook up a cable, and there's never going to be a problem again with the built-in cable being messed up. I'm not going to do the same with the other speaker. I'm going to do that when the wire on that speaker is messed up, because it's an awful lot of work to open up those speakers. Because, well, they not only used all the screws that you can see, no, they also used some stuff to glue the back part in its place. And so, in order to get that back part off, you always have to damage the housing. You can see that there, where I had to stick in the screwdriver. It's looking awful there. Really stupid. But anyway, there you have it. The Canton model LE600 speaker. Hope you enjoyed this video.